I think a lot of students think they're just going to do exams and vaccines. It's so much more than what they think it is. We get to do so many cool things that they have never even known that they would have the opportunity to do. It can be so much more.
We have a lot of caring instructors here. Every one of us work hard for the students. That's what we're here for. We want to help them get to their goals.
Because we care. We care about each and every student that's in our classroom. We go above and beyond to work with our students. We make sure that they're competent in the skills before we let them go on externship.
And I have seen students that were pretty shy and quiet at the beginning, and by the time they left, they were gregarious and interested in getting out in the world and doing a good job, and that's very satisfying.
You are way more capable than you think you are, and you'll learn that through this process.